we are asked, given a system of equations that happens to have fractions in it, and we're asked to find the solution using the substitution method. Now, whenever I have decimals or fractions in my system of equations, I usually, because I'm so lazy, I like to get rid of them before I even start. So before we even start the first step in solving a system using the substitution method, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all of those fractions. Now, the way I'm going to do it is figure out what the LCD is of each of the equations, then multiply both sides by their LCD. Part A, equation A, the LCD is 4. It's the only denominator. So we're going to multiply both sides of that equation, every term on both sides, by 4. In other words, we're going to distribute the multiplication across addition. We get 12x plus y equals 8. That's our new equation A, our new version of equation A. Now the second equation B, it has a denominator of 2 and 4 and 2. So the LCD happens to also equal 4. So I'm going to multiply every term on the left and on the right by the LCD 4. We're going to cancel factors on the top and bottom. We get 2x plus 3y equals negative 10. That's our new version of equation B. Thus, we will solve our new version of the system, which is 12x plus y equals 8 for equation A, 2x plus 3y equals negative 10 for equation B, and we will solve the system by substitution. Now, doesn't that look a lot better? See, you could keep the fractions if you're cool with them, but I just say, heck, just get rid of them. Okay, step 1 for solving using the substitution method. Solve equation A for one of the variables. I'm going to solve it for y. Okay, now, I will move the 12x to the other side by subtracting, and that will give me y equals negative 12x plus 8. Now, step 2, I'm going to substitute this result into equation B. I'm going to replace y with that expression, negative 12x plus 8. I'm going to plug it right in here in the parentheses. Be sure to distribute multiplication by 3 across the parentheses. Solve for x. Okay, let's get rid of those parentheses. We're going to distribute multiplication by 3. We get 2x minus 36x plus 24 equals negative 10. Combining like terms on the left, negative 34x plus 24 equals negative 10. Negative 34x equals negative 34. Divide both sides by the coefficient negative 34. And we get x equals positive 1. Okay, step 4 for solving using substitution. We're going to take this result, x equals 1, and substitute it into the other equation A and solve for y. So we get 12 times y, which we replace, 12 times x, we replace the x with 1, plus y equals 8. So 12 plus y equals 8, y equals negative 4. Step 5, we're going to conclude our solution system. The solution to the system of equations is xy equals 1 for the x coordinate, negative 4 for the y coordinate. And you'll notice that this system is an independent system because we have finitely many solutions. We have solutions. And there's finitely many.